Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my extremely basic setup for cubing videos. Before we begin, just a quick disclaimer that this setup is just way too simple. Some people might actually lose respect for me for having such a basic setup, and others might gain more respect for me because of the fact that I've been able to grow my channel with this kind of setup. But anyways, whatever it is, let's have a look. So this is basically just on the floor of my parents' room right here. Here's the bed. And here I am, and this is just the tripod I use, and it just faces down, and that's basically about it. Now you guys must be thinking, why don't you just buy more equipment and improve your setup? But like JPM says, would you rather film a YouTube video or spend thousands of dollars and film a YouTube video? I honestly just do YouTube as a fun thing along with school, and I just try and make the best of what I have. So I just wanted to say, if I can grow my channel to such a point with just one tripod and a phone and an editing software, why can't you guys? When it comes down to it, YouTube is a public sharing platform for a reason. Everyone can share what they're passionate about. Anyways, I'm going a bit off topic here, but I actually wanted to say that I do have a white table in my room. However, here's the reason I don't use it. Now the biggest reason I don't use this white table in my bedroom is because the colors just don't seem to pop out nearly as much as on a darker background. I have tried and fixed it in the past with some color grading, for example something like this. However, I still don't think it looks nearly as good as on the darker background. But the thing I do use this table for is for my solving videos, and let me show you guys my solving setup right now. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is pretty much my solving setup basically. And what I do for this is, once again, I just put my phone on the tripod, and I put the tripod on this table over here, as you guys can see. And I just sit on this chair over here and solve. Alternatively, for my solves from this angle, I basically just have this small tripod here. It's very nice and portable, and yep, overall it works really well for these kind of solves. So yeah, that's basically about it for my video on my setup. Whether you have a setup that's even simpler than mine or you spend tens of thousands of dollars on it, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you continue to grow on YouTube. That's basically about it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye.